Alright guys, we have made it to Ozone Falls here in the fall colors. I'm out in my Jeep Gypsyana and we're going to do some filming here going to the falls in the fall color. I see a lot of Jeeps out today. Alright guys, we have made it to the top of Ozone Falls here in Cumberland County, Tennessee. It's a beautiful day. We got beautiful fall color action going on, and Ozone is not going to disappoint if you make it here. It's a super simple hike. I just flew my drone. I'll show some shots of it, but let's do a stand over the falls. People have kayaked off of this crazy thing, which I think is insane. I'm just barely able to get close to the edge without sort of, having a nervous breakdown. But something I recommend doing is laying down on these rocks and sticking your head over and capturing the vertigo effect. It's really wicked. I'm not going to do it today though. Alright, that's going to do it for Ozone Falls. I'm not going to go to the bottom because I've got other things to do. And we'll see you in the next one. Later.